Hi everybody, I've got a Arrow shed here, the Woodridge model. It's a nice shed, but like a lot of these metal sheds, it's got nylon slides for the doors, and these things just chatter and stick, just don't work very well. So decided to replace them. You can see they've got a lot of wear on them and they're less than a year old. So I was able to find some bearings that fit right in there. These are little nylon bearings that I got from Amazon. They're for wire rope, I suppose, but they fit just perfectly inside the tracks, inside the shed. Real easy to bolt on to the existing doors. There you can see the roller in the track. No modifications to the doors are required. Just take off the nylon slides and put these on. Here's the little bearing, a little close up. Like I said, I got them from Amazon, 5 of them for $9.41. So you're also going to need rust-proof plated 1032 screws. These are plated. You can also use stainless. I also made a spacer on the backside on my lathe, a little aluminum part, to hold the bearing away from the door. Here's a drawing for it. If you don't have a lathe, you can do the same thing with a couple of lock washers and some number 10 washers. Make sure they're stainless because they'll rust right away. So that'll work. It's not as nice as the part I made, but you can get by. So here's a demo of the door in action. Real easy to open and close. Real happy with this little modification. It took about 10 minutes to install those little parts on the doors. All right, thanks for watching and take care.